On Overport Road, my plan is to go to Wood, so I'm basically showing you the mall. It's now called the Atrium at Overport. Alright, I've been trying to get in through other roads, but there is this woman, domestic worker, who disturbed my picture taking and videoizing of these areas because she was scared of me. It's a black woman, obviously. So whether it's black women, black men, white people, Indian people, the person they do not trust is a Zulu or black South African man. So I'm profiled as a thug, so it's difficult in other areas to take pictures or to follow the route that you wanted to follow, because it's as if now you're following somebody who just had to be walking where you wanted to walk. That's the sad thing. So, and then which woman will be wanting to walk all these directions with me in order to take videos? Nobody. So I'm here for the Wood market, which I realize is now called the Musgrave Market, and I see the park itself has been renamed to Musgrave Park. There's a lot of areas which sell wedding gowns here. Okay, this one is very old. You can see from the telephone number 207, it doesn't have an 031, so it's very old business here. So it seems like it was always an area for wedding businesses. This is another CBD of Durban. We're still within Durban city is very deceptive. This place is huge, guys. Durban is huge. These hills, what you basically miss when you are looking at them from let's say from the Durban main CBD, you miss the fact that okay, they go up and then they go straight and then they go up. So and then they go straight again and then they go down. So you don't see the straight areas. You're looking up and then you're just seeing as if it goes just up and up. These flat areas have got large communities, because here I'm on the straight area. That building you do see, but you don't see this area. You don't see this area. You start seeing that area there when I'm looking at the elevation. So these communities here are huge. Going this direction, but for now I just wanted to show you this mall, because there's many malls in Durban. So this is another central business area. So I just want to show you Overport, as it was called. Okay, maybe I should walk on the other side. I don't know. Okay, you'll see these areas I'm passing when I'm at the corner there. All right, this is the parkade thereof. This particular space itself is not very neat. I don't know why. Oh, they are rebuilding. There's renovations which are happening here. That's why it's not neat. That's the name, the Atrium. And then it goes, that's still the Atrium. And then the flats. Alright. We're coming down from that street. We are still in Wood. That one is new. I hope I didn't step on something nasty, because yes, so there's just been horrible smell. Okay, it's this rubbish here. Damn, it pierced through my brain. Oh, that was very strong. Okay, so that's the mall again. We're still in the barrier of Durban. That one is new. It was completed like 2 years ago. All right. The Musgrave Market is down the road towards Musgrave Center. Musgrave Center is another mall, which is like 500 meters away from this one. This one has been is the bank mall, really. Banks decided to rather make this one their mall, and there's another Vision Active there as well. It seems they are renovating this Sunway Center. Who owns most of these businesses? It is Indian people. Why have Indians prospered? Because they adopted what used to be the Zulu way of life, of putting family first. They learned that from the Zulus. The Indians who were brought here as indentured laborers were coming from prison. Most of them had been promised that after they've labored here for free for the British and them in sugar canes, there was also promises that they will go back home, be freed, and would have made lots of money, basically to live a better life. All right. Well, it looks like Damelin is no longer here. That was Damelin here. Damelin is gone. That's why I saw it on Smith Street. Okay, that was Damelin. It's no longer there. Al Baraka Bank. Wow. Okay, that's the mall. I think it's on the truck. Mama engisabathengithi and then sebangathi manje ngiyamlandela. So that's basically the whole busy intersection. You go up the road. We're gonna stand at the intersection across just so that I show you this mall from outside. As you can see, vision active. So this is Overport Road. That's the one that goes up the Botanic Gardens to Overport, Adult World, of course. And that's basically the what do you call that hospital again? They tried to close it about 10 years ago, and the nurses revolted. McCord Hospital, so it became an eye hospital. So when you go up the road, you go to Coastland Hotel. This is on the Reach, which got called Peter Mokaba Road. It's another busy road all the way from UKZN actually up to Morningside at the Kensington Apartments by Berman Bush. That's where it ends. Alright. Okay, usually Adult World will be found in your low income, middle income area full of kind of like lower IQ white people. I don't know why. I saw that basically over the AGC. That's Peter Mokaba Reach. It was called On the Reach. And that's the mall, which is full of banks. It's basically about 3 levels going down. It's a big mall. We're not going in. There's plenty of pictures thereof. I'm not here for the malls. And then as you can see, that building there, that's another hospital. I think it's an eye hospital, the private one now. Indian owned, yeah, I think it's Indian owned. We used to deliver fudge at that Shell garage. And then you go to the other Durban city down the road, Overport. Lots and lots and lots and lots of Indian businesses. I wanted to come down that side. There's that beautiful apartment block which is white painted. The black woman who was scared of me basically took that road, and then I had to change direction and come to this one so that she doesn't, because that direction that she was taking was a narrow road which connects to Peter Mokaba from that angle. It would have given us great shots of Overport Mall. I couldn't go there. Less people scream for me, and then I'm guilty as charged because I'm a Zulu man or a black man, a black South African man in South Africa.